Hey, Jim Paar here, and I never thought I'd do this video, but we're going to look at Clickfunnels versus GoHighLevel. And I am an avid Clickfunnels user from the past, but I'm very loyal to GoHighLevel. So let's dive in. Stay tuned to the end of this video. I've got an incredible offer for you. And remember, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification if you want to get alerts of my new videos. And let's get started. So let me explain. We're going to go into the different levels here of ClickFunnels versus GoHighLevel. I hate using that word because it's not really a competition here. I'm an avid user in the past of ClickFunnels. Met Russell Brunson, heard him speak many times. He's an amazing guy, got amazing products. So I've got .com secrets. I've got, the expert secrets. I've got the cookbook. I've got stacks of funnel hacks and different things like that. I look at these softwares as two separate things. ClickFunnels does great for high-ticket coaches, for selling products and doing those upsells or cross-sales or whatever. They've got an incredible support team. There's different things there. But for me personally, as an agency, I was spending about $700 or $697 a month to get all my users, my sub-users, and to really see the value of it. So as we look at ClickFunnels here, and we're going to compare these, you can share funnels. You get unlimited funnels in the $297 plan. You get 20 funnels in the $97 plan. And we'll really focus in on that $297. Pages are unlimited, so sub-pages for each funnel. That means additional, the different steps are considered pages. And here's the one key thing here is the sub-users. You can only have 3. And we're going to show you the difference of those sub-users versus GoHighLevel users because as a marketing agency, you can put in unlimited sub-users underneath your GoHighLevel in the 297. They've got 9 gateways, payment gateways, so they're connected to those like Stripe and Square and Authorize.net. So they've got a win there. Domains, they allow you to put in 9. And comparison to that, GoHighLevel allows you to put in unlimited domains, and even with the ability to eventually purchase domains through GoHighLevel. And we'll talk about some of the features that they just continue to add and add and add. And then they've got ClickFunnels has follow-up funnels unlimited and priority support. ClickFunnels support is really good. They also have their weekly peer hackathons, and then Funnel Fix. This is an additional course that costs additional money. So we're looking at, 97 to, if you're in the 2 comma club, you're going to be able to afford the investment of $24.97. And obviously it would be worth that. But look at the sub-users. They still limit you to 10 users. Now let's look at GoHighLevel and see the pricing. So we've got an agency level, which is basically one account. So that's to have your single agency client account for $97 per month. But I'm going to show you some of the features that come with these versus the other one that we just looked at. And then the other one is the agency unlimited account, which is unlimited. It's not like this where it's limited, where in GoHighLevel this is unlimited accounts, unlimited sub accounts, desktop app, and one thing about GoHighLevel, they have their own app for Androids and iOS devices. So if we look at and go up here, let's just move to here. They also have a $497 plan that you can add in your Zapier custom creations. That means you can do literally anything with GoHighLevel when you add a Zap, and we're not going to go into that. I've got other videos on that. But you can even do a custom created mobile app fully branded to your agency, so it looks like you, like it's your app. And so $497 additional per month. It's a white label app and custom Zap. So personally, we are on the SaaS program. So we label our software. Basically, we have an account, and I'm just going to pull that up. I didn't have that up, but we're able to white label and sell the GoHighLevel platform to other clients, create amazing funnels in minutes, nurture leads, AI chat with Eliza now, and different things like that. Now, let's go into pricing, because this is where it is a game changer here. So if we look at these plans, we already told you what ClickFunnels includes, and now we're going to show you what the difference. This is the game changer for GoHighLevel and why you should get GoHighLevel. You can get rid of any email marketing software, which I just looked at the other day. One of my clients was looking at getting an email marketing software like Constant Contact, and it was anywhere from $20 to $50 a month up to $100 a month, depending on levels, and it even goes higher than that. These are the game changers. You can do SMS text marketing. So this means that in high level, ClickFunnels doesn't offer this. In high level, we know that emails are very limited, 1 to 3% open rates on text messaging and messaging through Facebook Messenger, which GoHighLevel can do, and message through DMs, and now WhatsApp. Understand that people can't help not to open those. There is some guidelines with that, but that's a $99 a month plan right there easily if you were to pay for it on its own. GoHighLevel replaces ClickFunnels and Lead Pages. So we already saw that pricing, $297 a month. WordPress hosting is coming to HighLevel. We have a new Shopify integration, so you can do abandoned carts. That's in the works for this quarter. And this video is 2021. So we have web builders, we have funnel builders. So if you're using Wix or anything like that, it can replace that. Call tracking. I used to use CallRail. Now I got rid of that. I was paying $100 a month. Survey builders, quiz builders, anything like that to qualify a client, it replaces that. So you can see the monthly things. Calendly, it replaces that. Any CRM or pipeline management, it replaces that. That's another $100. White label desktop replaces that. Tracking analytics, Kartra, any membership or course type thing, it replaces that. It's got product upsells now. And so it's got so much. If you use it, any reputation management, we know how expensive that is on its own. One of my car dealerships was paying $495 a month for Podium, and now they're able to use this, and they're saving a lot more money just by this one feature. So overall, right now, if we were to add up everything in what HighLevel's adding with WhatsApp Messenger and everything else, it's over a $1,600 a month bill if you were to pay for these alone. But with HighLevel, it's $297 a month. You can start out a 14-day free trial, which we got a link below. You can do a $97 plan, get into it, get your first client, get your agency set up, and then start marketing, and then go into that other level of $297 a month. But as we look at this in the back end, ClickFunnels does not. This is just a sample account. ClickFunnels doesn't have a dashboard like this. We can manage all our conversations, whether they are text, phone call, email. We can email and text through this software directly through it. We can have pipelines set up in here where we actually go in and set these up. And let me just show you an example of a pipeline. Let's just go to agency 123, which is just a kind of a setup test account. So we can look at the process, whether we're onboarding a client, onboarding in progress, 7-day check-in. We can do retention setups. We can do upsells, whatever. There is so much marketing in here. Workflows, basically, if you want automated marketing for your entire business, that's what this does. We can do campaigns, emails. We can build forms, survey builder, quiz builders. We can do all our email marketing with templates in here, with plain text, whatever you're looking for. The other thing is we can manage Google ads, Facebook ads, all our call reporting. So we can see appointment reports, everything that's going in, and even a no-show, and follow up with those. Scheduling, you can set up all your schedules, integrate all your Google calendars, Outlook calendars, and set up individual calendars that don't conflict with each other. So it'll look at multiple calendars right away to do that. The ClickFunnels does not do any of this. It doesn't do reputation management. So ClickFunnels is more of a funnel builder for building funnels to get people in, to nurture and try to close that sale. But we do have funnels. We can build all kinds of funnels. And so if we want to look at a particular funnel here, it is drag and drop, easy to maneuver. We can do split testing now. We can add our products in there. So if we need to do an upsell or a cross sell, we can do that. We can see our stats in here, and we can go into set up as many steps as we want. We can view this funnel. They're beautiful funnels. They're easy to manage. Claim your offer this week. And so if you're a CrossFit company or whatever, here's your pop-up form. As I'm trying to go out, it knew that I was going out, so it's trying to grab your information. So it does all the funnels. It does build incredible websites. And if we just look at one here, we'll just open it up. We can build websites in a matter of minutes. And of course, you got to change everything, but some of these are pre-built templates. We can build custom websites, whatever you want. But these are beautiful interactive websites, and we can even add chat widgets down in the corner. The other thing that we can do is membership pages. We were talking about Kartra. And so if you've got a coaching program, if you've got products, whatever course, a membership page, it can be paid, it can be free. You can show your checkouts, your number of members, all your analytics in there. And it's pretty incredible. We do have a chat widget that you can put into the bottom of your website, in a WordPress website, in a Shopify website, in a whatever you want to do, WordPress, or even into your high-level websites. So there is really nothing that you can't do. And these are all custom branded. You can change the colors to whatever you want, just by clicking a few buttons and going in there. And we've got green. We can change this image, what the question is, the intro message. So if you're not using, and let me just show you integrations. We can connect to QuickBooks. So if you invoice somebody, it can automatically send them a request to review your business. So it knows when it's connected. We can do your Facebook, Instagram integrations. We even have URL redirects. We have a media file now where you can store files and images into here, add all your calendars, domains. I mean, it's just unlimited what you can do. But anyways, if you have questions, remember, hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't tried this, just try it. You know, for 14 days, there is no obligation. If you do sign up and under the link that's below, I will do a one-on-one strategy call with you and make sure that you know it and make sure you're successful at it. So if you want that, let me know. I do offer a lot of additional stuff when you sign up under me. I'm not going to let you be stuck. That's the thing here. And with the world that we're in right now, we need to be independent and we need to be successful. And we need to do that on our own and not rely on Big Brother and big corporations that mandate this and that and everything else. So get started with something, and I'll even show you how you can get some free swag from GoHighLevel and even qualify to get a Tesla paid for through HighLevel. So if you got questions, comments, whatever, leave them below. I answer every question. And even if it's a strategy question or you're stuck or whatever, even if you did sign up under me, I'm going to answer that question. But if you want that one-on-one with me and we deep dive and we go in setting up everything, use that link below and sign up today. So thanks, guys and gals. Appreciate you. And have a great one.